Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I'll let to show you the way how you can delete the transition between a clip on a CapCut application. First thing first, you just need to open the CapCut application and then you can just open the project that you have been created before. So here is the project that I have. Let's check it first. So in this video or in this project, we already have the transition between the clip, and let's just remove the clip. So here, the thing to do to remove it, you can see that there is a symbol over here. So this is the area of the transitions applied. So if you want to delete the transition, just tap into test, and then you just need to go click into this trending, and then there will be like this icon, and then you just need to tap on it. And whenever you tap on it, just go click this checklist button, and now there is no transition apply over this video. So you can do for the rest of the clip, go click it, go click trending and tap none, and then just go click this checklist button. Now this transition could be gone. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and please let's meet again into other tutorial.